In the mid-1990s, few people were studying how to verify the authenticity of media files. Meanwhile, on a corner of Galicia in Spain, a researcher was already dedicated to that work. Shortly after, the internet broke out on a global scale, and the exchange of millions of data imposed new challenges before the dark side used technology without ethical standards. At the end of the 90s, watermarking was one of the first answers to this problem. In 2008, the application of complex mathematical calculations and algorithms promoted new forms of analysis, such as digital forensics. And in 2018, with the knowledge, methods, and experience acquired over more than 20 years, AidFork was born. A project with 4 years of life, today far exceeds the difficult transition from the university lab to the global technology market. This success is based on two tools that combat false multimedia content. Forensian, a cutting-edge forensic analysis technique that reveals the manipulation of any image through a heat map. And Vidinger, a forensic tool that assesses the time or recording of a video, analyzing the variations of the electrical network frequency. These developments allowed AidFork to evolve towards an integrated solution for omni-channel customers, not just focused on sales, but on close collaboration partnerships. And in 2022, AidFork will continue investing on university research to consolidate itself in the market as a project that was born in a small laboratory in Galicia and conquered Silicon Valley.